Batchawana Rapid 1820, no, 1920.
So that was group of 7 painting, because, oh, I guess I'm going to mess around. Instead of going down there, Mom, I'm going to mess around up here. This is one of the spots we had passed on the way up, and we're going to mess around with it. Chippewa River.
I'm going to get a few group of 7 books for Christina and I to take on our Agawa train tour.
Sweet, yes. Mom's going on a big train tour soon.
And some canvas.
Right on.
Some canvas. We're going to have fun.
I'm going to keep going. It's getting rocky. Oh, we made it up. Folks, give me a break. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. That's where we drove in from. This is majestic. A lot of rock here. Big space.
Oh, yes, you can see why a painter would want to do it.
Yeah, oh yeah. Incredible. Adventure Mom.
You want me to get in front of it?
Sure. Say cheese. Nice. Wave bye to your future great grandkids.